Supras without a front lip. Nuh-uh. Alright guys, so as y'all see, my Supra does not have a front lip. It is on the jacks. And that's because I'm working on the next project. So check this out. So as I had previously told you guys, this lip right here is a carbon fiber, and it is very, very expensive. I think it recently went up to $800 for this front lip, and I got kids now. I can't be spending that type of money, especially not on that front lip. So what I did, I ordered myself a sheet of ABS plastic. It's like this right here. So it's ABS plastic, just like this. This is actually a 1/4 inch thick, and there's like a real shiny smooth part, and then there's like a textured area. So what I'm doing is basically making like a, some of y'all may call it a splitter, but a splitter sticks, from what I know, the splitter sticks out past the bumper, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm basically making it to where it's like a shield, like kind of like an, what do you call those, under trays, or under, I don't know, those things that they put on the bottom of the car to kind of keep all the dirt and everything coming up. But the reason I'm building one is going to be like a shield. So I'm going to hopefully protect my front lip from taking any more damage. And also, so this is the lip right here. I don't know how many of y'all remember. So, you know, this part is open. You know, this front lip, it kind of goes down here and it opens and the air goes through. But whenever I take pictures of it, you can see through it. So you can see through the hole, and then you can see down, like you can see the concrete of the road. And I don't like that. That has always bothered me about this front lip. About a year ago, I put a piece of plastic there, but with the air, like real thin plastic. But with the wind, it blew off. See, so for example, like on this Supra, the front lip is closed, right? So you can't, it's, you know, it's basically shut. But you guys see this design on this front lip, that line? Well, on mine is open, so you see through it. So with this piece of plastic, or the shield that I'm building, you're not gonna be able to see through it anymore, and it's gonna basically divert the air back into the transcooler and into the intercooler. So I'm hoping it helps with airflow. I'm hoping it helps with protecting my front lip, and it's gonna finally take care of that issue where you can see through the lip towards the ground. This is how far I've gotten so far. So I ordered a sheet, and basically I just took the lip off, put it on top, and basically just cut it out. It's not perfect, but at the end of the day, this is gonna be smacking the ground, so whatever. The only thing that I'm running into here is the lip goes up, so I am gonna have like a little, I'm gonna have like a little space here. I was gonna stick some more plastic in there and kind of seal it, but I'm just gonna put some spacers in and basically have it to where this is open. I mean, at the end of the day, the air's still going in, so I don't know. I mean, you guys feel free and give me any advice or corrections. I've never built this before, ever. This is the first time, so we'll see how it comes out. All right, and that is a Supra without a bumper. Whew, getting tired, you guys. It's Sunday. I gotta go back to work tomorrow, so I'm trying to finish up. I don't want to finish the video today, but at least I'll finish the installation. Here's the bumper. I got everything installed. Everything's bolted down, torqued down, and yep. So I got washers, lock washers, bolt and a nut on the lip to the bumper, from the shield to the lip, and then I'm gonna have 2 bolts with some spacers from here and here up to the I don't know what that bar is, like where the radiator's at. Right under, there's 2 spots for some bolts that were not being used, so I'm putting 2 bolts through it, and it's gonna be pretty, I mean, I think it's gonna be pretty strong. I guess there's only one way to find out: drive it and see how it does. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I figured give it a shot and see what happens. But that's it, you guys. I'm sure you guys are gonna wonder, why didn't I get a bigger piece of plastic so it can be like the full length of the lip? And that is because I didn't want to push it all the way back. So this length here It basically gets to right under the radiator, and that's it. It doesn't keep going back. I didn't want to keep going back because then it was going to flop down too much. So right where I left it is right under the radiator, right where those bolts are going to go, and that's it. I went ahead and took advantage of the bumper being off because I needed to remove a little bit of the vinyl that was still on there. But let me go ahead and get this installed. A few days have gone by. I cut my hair off, you guys. Check it out. I feel like I'm myself again. All right, real quick before we take the Supra out, I just got finished filming something for TikTok. So I know the next few months are probably gonna get pretty cold. At least here in Texas, they're forecasting it to be one of the coldest winters. I'm not sure how true that is, but so I went ahead and took advantage of this offer that this company called Gulu. See here it says Gulu Jump Starter Power Bank. So y'all know me. Y'all know I don't really do a lot of this whole promotion stuff. I don't really like being tied down to talk about something in a good way if I don't really like the way it works. So I did a lot of research on this. I did a lot of research on their products and the reviews, and damn, it was really good. So I had said, you know, the hell with it, I'll give it a shot. So I got this. This is not a paid promotion, anything like that. I'm just showing you guys, I'm just telling you guys about this in case you guys are in Texas or wherever you are. These next few months that are gonna get pretty cold, it would suck for your battery to be dead. Now, earlier, I left the lights on this car for a few hours, so the battery was completely drained. I hooked this up for like 10 seconds and the car started right up immediately. So let's see if it's still dead. Got my boy back here, fixing to destroy the car again. All right, let's see if it turns on. It probably is gonna turn on. I had it on for a little bit. Yeah. All right, yeah, it did turn on. So you connect this to the side of the little box and you put this on your battery, and within seconds you can turn on the car. So again, this is not paid or anything. I'm just showing you guys my experience. That thing is pretty badass. And it has a pretty nice LED light. Little flashing 2 SOS, I think that's what this is. I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the car back out. I ain't leaving, Papa. I just want to go get the keys. You're good. You thought I was leaving you? He's chilling inside the car. Don't jump out. Don't do it. Don't do it. Come on. Oh, shoot. Whoa. Taking my camera. And there it is, you guys. The splitter, shield, whatever you want to call it, is installed. See, now you finally don't see through that hole. It looks nice and dark. The air is redirected up to the top the way it should be. hope you guys can see it. It's just like a flat shield. I mean, there's nothing fancy about it. Probably thinks I'm leaving without him. You ready? Let's go. Alright guys, y'all stay tuned to the next video. I'm gonna take this little guy out for a spin.